Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2013 Mazda BT50, stock number 6553. This ran from the 10th 2011 to the 6th 2020. It has a P580 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the P580 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. The front door mirror. Right front, good private door, 4 dents, right front door mirror, right front snorkel, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory 6-stick stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, the front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,